natural nation, Neteru, Naturu. It doesn't matter how you say. These are the very similar words. They carry the same, similar frequency, if not the same frequency. They carry similar intonation. They carry similar resonance. Nature, natural, netu, neta, naturu, neteru, neturu. You know, they carry similar vibration, similar frequencies, similar resonance, similar tones. They like music. So to be natural is to be of a nation. To be of a nation is to be natural. You see? To be of a they inherit the rules or the sons and daughters of nature are the naturals. They are the Neterus. The one that goes with the whole nationhood, the one that goes with the vibration of Neteruness, the one that goes with the resonance of nationality, nationality. Nature's line, you know. So we are all nations of people. All nations of people. That's what we are, because we all came from nature. We came from nature, right? So we are all natural people. I am. And I hope we all are. But I'm of the notion that we are all, excuse me, I'm of the notion that we are all natural people since we came from nature. Mother Nature is always supreme, so we came from nature with natural. We have the essence of nationhood. We came from our mothers and fathers. Yeah. So, and that makes of a whole planetary nationality based on natural, international friendliness. It's very important. We need to address that. Well, the United Nations of people that really expanded, that really cares for love, to bring health, to bring health into the wellness of humanity. This is what nature is all about. So natural healing, natural medicine, natural food. Nation food, nation healing, nation food, nation medicine. Neteru healing, Neteru medicine, Neteru food, Neteru ingredients. The Metu Neta. All these Neterus now have a mother called Metu. Metu Neta. The Netas, these are our children, but she is Metu, the mother of all natures, Mother Nature. So we are all nations of Mother Nature. The Netas of Met, the Metu Neta. Ye Metu, Ye Metu, Ye Metu, Mother of life. So all nations are alive because they came from nature. Oh my Bametala. This is just a quick video, I just feel like I have to really just share that area of how important to be natural is kind of envelope everything that we do. The essence of nationality, the essence of nationhood, the essence of naturalness, the Neteru aspect. So my Bametala, man. Have a wonderful day. Peace and love. I share. Yeah.